Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update the reply to email in your Mailchimp campaigns so your responses go to the right place. Let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the reply to email in your Mailchimp campaign. If you've ever had replies sent to the wrong inbox, this quick fix will solve that issue. The reply to address is the email your subscribers send their responses to when they hit reply. Setting this up correctly makes sure all your feedback, support requests, and inquiries land exactly where you want them. It also helps build trust with your audience and can improve your email deliverability, especially when you're using an address linked to your own domain. Start by opening Mailchimp and going to the Campaigns section on the left side of your dashboard. This is where all your campaigns are stored. Locate the email you want to edit, whether it's a draft or not yet sent, and click Edit to open the email builder. Inside the builder, find the From section. This is where your sender information is stored. Click on it, and you'll see the details that appear in your subscriber's inbox, including the From name and email address. In this same section, you'll find the option to set your reply to address. If there's a specific field for it, enter the email you want replies to go to. If you see an option to use a different reply to address, enable it and type in the correct one. Make sure the email address you choose is professional, actively in use, and checked on a regular basis so you don't miss any important replies from your subscribers. This is especially important if you're expecting customer inquiries, feedback, or support messages. Once you've updated the reply to address, the change will apply specifically to that campaign, ensuring all responses are directed to the correct inbox when your email is sent. For better results, use an email address linked to your own domain rather than a free email provider. Also, confirm that you have access to that inbox. If you're using domain authentication, matching your reply to address with your domain can improve how your emails are received. Try to avoid using no-reply email addresses whenever you can. Giving your subscribers an easy way to respond makes your communication feel more open and approachable, which can lead to higher engagement and a better overall experience. To summarize, go to Campaigns, open your email, access the From section, and update the reply to address. That's all there is to it. This small adjustment ensures your replies are properly routed and your communication stays organized. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe for more simple and practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.